This is another activity you can do while in Bilik Beach Resort in Turkey. It's a banana boat ride. It's about 25 euro per person. It takes about an hour, over an hour to tour, to go to a lagoon. And when we were in there, we saw some turtles, because the beach itself of Bilik, there's turtles laying eggs. There were signs that turtles were laying eggs, and you can't walk on that area and everything. So some of the turtles we see, however, we just passed them at that time. This banana boat is outside from the Bilik Beach Resort entertainment. That's why we have to pay money. In the beach, you can see camels that you can pay for riding them. You can also jet ski, or one of them banana boat and speedboat ride, or parasailing as well. I've seen a few parasailing, common, but it is quite good. The hotel itself has their own entertainment. It varies from sports like tennis, volleyball. They had the basketball and football. They also had a dragon boat race in the afternoon while we are doing this thing, for a friendly competition. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. Have a nice day wherever you are.